I want to reply this comment with a video about BoloUp, popular known as Pink app. If you have belong to this category, watch this video. I've made a video about it before, but I want to reply this particular comment. As you can see, Tesma, I am also new. I joined, but I don't know how to use it. Please direct me. I decided to reply this comment with video. Okay, now if you log in, if you download this app, go to Play Store and download this particular app. If you download it, first thing you need to do is for you to do your face verification. After you finish editing your name, edit your name, look for face verification. I've done it already. That is why I don't have to do practical on this video, because I'm an old user on this app. Okay, go ahead and do your face verification, then join an agency. Okay, once you are done with join an agency and face verification, once your face verification is completed, then you need to go party. Pattern means is that you need to open your room. You see this my room. You need to click on it and open your chat room, your own room. Open your own room and stay there. Just keep your phone, keep on doing your task is going to start counting. If you did not join an agency and if you don't do your face verification, you are not going to see this sign salary like this. You're not going to be seeing salary like this. You're not going to be seeing salary. Once you are doing your tax, this app has a new update, which means it's a self-gifting app. You can gift yourself. It's not every day you will see someone on this app. It's not every day, because now they have made everything easier for users. You know, before it's not like this. Before, this app doesn't have self-gifting, but now they have self-gifting. You can gift yourself on this app. You don't need to wait for your agency. You don't need to wait for anybody before you do a exchange at all. You don't need that. You can send gift to yourself on this app right now. You don't need to wait for someone, I want to do exchange with you. No. You don't need that. Somebody like me, I usually come in the midnight to do my tax and go. I don't usually stay here regularly. I don't usually stay here because I have other apps I'm doing on my phone. I have other apps to do. Okay, so all you need to do after you perform your tax, receive it. Like I said before, if you have money to buy coins and play game in your room. But this is how you are going to be using to play that game. I want to show you the example, but because of the community guideline, I'm not going to be opening it. Okay, if you get coins from Coinseller, make sure the Coinseller you are going to be getting from your region. If you're from Nigeria, if you click on the Coinseller recharge, you're going to be seeing Nigeria Coinseller line up. Okay, all you need to do is for you to try them on the app. Okay, they're going to respond to you, and you will buy coin. Now, because of my region, that's why you're seeing that particular Coinseller, because of my region. Okay, so now after getting the coins, enter your room. If you enter your room, sit on your own room. This is the tips I want to give you as a newbie. If you enter there, if you're this type of person that is always snap picture, like your storage of your phone has filled up, make sure you clear some photo that you are not making use of it. Then open that game. Check your network also. The reason I'm saying this is because this is what I actually do, and it has helped me a lot, and I see some people that it has worked for. I don't guarantee that you will get the same results, and always don't know that I am not a financial advice. I'm just sharing it with my personal experience. Not be everybody go give you these tips. Okay, these tips is what actually have been working for me in different app, not only BoloUp. Okay, next thing you need to do now, then you need to look for a game that you can play. Okay, you can see different game. You can see ocean, you can see greedy, you can see fish, you can see though this game you don't need to become a professional before you start playing it. This thing I'm giving you is what I do. Okay, right now, if you're this type of person that is always spin, like playing ocean hunt, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, and even if you want to play fish, this is what I'm going to do. Right now, if you click on that particular fish, you are going to have, they have 120, they have 240. But if you're a newbie, I will encourage you to start with small amount of coin. Okay, start with small before you will increase it. Like as a newbie self, you don't need to increase it. You don't need to increase it. Start with small amount. Start with 240. Start with 120 and 240. Once you notice that the coins is coming back, like the coins is returning for you, you can increase it to 1-2. Okay, if it is not returning in 1-2, slow it down, come back to 240. Okay, this trip I'm going to be giving you is trip for a newbie, which actually did, and I have a lot of people that are doing it like this. You don't have to spin with 3,000, 5,000, so that you will expect coins to return big. No, do not have that mentality. If you have that mentality, you're going to crash. Okay, all you need to do for do it small, small. Stay on your room and send it to yourself. This is what you are going to be doing as a newbie on this app.